Alright, so I heard a lot about Harbor Freight's brown light, or whatever it's called, but there's lots of other light manufacturers. Since all of them are pretty much Chinesium, I'm gonna give this guy a shot on Amazon for $12.99, which is about $7 cheaper. So I'll just go buy it now. And then for shipping, oops, boom. I don't know what just happened. Alright, we're gonna try it again. That didn't work. Buy it now. Watch me get like 5 of them. Swipe. Alright, order has been placed. Actually, once I ordered, I realized that there's option for a big one for $2 more. So I canceled the small one and we're doing the big one. Sorry, you probably don't need to see my information here. Alright, boom. Order is placed. Alright, we'll see when it gets here. Alright guys, so the magical UPS truck came in today and we got the light. So honestly, a lot smaller than I expected. But we'll see how it works out. So we're gonna test this out on our Impala here. See how bright this little bastard is. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing. We got the mini USB and the light. So the light is fairly small. So I mean, fits just fine. I mean, I do have pretty big hands, but let me get a tape measure. We'll tape measure this little shit. If I can find a fucking tape measure. Can't believe there's all the free Harbor Freight tape measures I've gotten. Couldn't find even one. Alright. So first of all, that's magnetic. Didn't know that, just found that out. But so, it's just shy of 6 inches tall. And let's see, fully erected. It's about 10 inches tall. So that's not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so let's see if we got any juice. Yep. We got some juice. Alright. So let's test it out and see how it actually works. Where it's meant to work. Inside of the engine bay. I do have a lot better lighting than most of the garages. I have fluorescent lighting, so it is fairly bright in here. But we'll actually test it out on all the settings just to see. So let's go look here towards the water pump. So right now, fairly dark. Boom, brightest setting. So let's see. Oh yeah, that is bright. Look, you can see diving marks. No problems. All right. It's pretty good. And of course I get a phone call right while I'm working here. Alright, so it definitely works fairly well. Let me get in the deepest part of the engine bay. As you can see, it's extremely clear. So yeah, it's definitely very, very bright. So alright, so that was the brightest setting. So let's do a mid setting. Alright, so mid setting is definitely a lot darker, but still works well. You can still see things, and I'm sure it will give you quite a bit more when it comes down to runtime of the flashlight. And then the third setting is just this little shit over here. So that doesn't really give you much. That pretty much gives you as much as little Harbor Freight $1.99 free flashlights that they usually give you. I mean, it's still decent, but definitely nothing crazy bright. You can still see things. Right. Definitely magnet works well. Shake it up a little bit. Yeah, it's good. Alright, let's see how it works when we actually use it as adjusted. Boom. Here's the whole engine bay at the brightest setting. That actually works surprisingly well. I mean, it's hard to describe on camera, but it looks like almost close to like a studio lighting in here for the engine wise. And look at that. That is bright as shit. It's good. So yeah, this is definitely a little work light. Works well. I am impressed. We'll see how long the battery lasts on it. But so far so good. I mean, look, you can get in the deepest crevices over here and see everything. You see my huge oil filter right there. Look at that. Yeah, I can't even find a spot that I can't see. You can kind of stick it anywhere. See all my oil leaks. Look at that. Let's look at the fuel pump. Look at that. Yeah, definitely impressed, and even more impressed with how well it works once you attach it to the hood or whatever your work area is. Let's see. I'll actually do it this way here. One thing what I wish they did is that the head would pivot more, because this way you only have adjustment front or backwards, and that's it. I wish this head would like pivot side to side, so you can kind of turn around any way you want, because that's all you got, front or backwards. Actually, it does pivot. You just, oh hey, never mind. See, this is what we get for not looking at the instruction manual. Okay, it does work this way too, so that's awesome. So it does actually go any direction you want. Let's see. Yep. Again, like daytime. Alright, so on scale 1 to 10, I would definitely score this little guy pretty well. I would say on 1 to 10 for light, for when actually bang for the buck also makes the difference, like the value for the money. I would give this little guy probably a solid 7. I mean, it's definitely not the brightest light, but I mean, it says it will do up to 700 lumens, which I believe it does do right around there, just by judging by the amount of light that it gave us to the engine. Battery life, we'll see. Haven't went that far yet, but it's an LED, so it's not using much of the battery to begin with. Build quality feels solid. Magnet is fairly strong, so I would say a solid 7. I would say probably could easily become one of my favorite lights, and it looks like it's fairly protected from the elements, like even your USB little port. It looks like there is like a water weather seal and stuff like that in there, so that definitely goes in. Then you do have a little hook over here, so you can hang it up of things. And the magnet is extremely strong, and it is plastic surface, so it's not something that probably would scratch your shit up. So yeah, solid 7, strongly recommending. So good job Amazon, cheap flashlight, definitely works well. Probably gonna be better than the Harbor Freight one in the long run to begin with, but who knows, they probably all made at the same factory to begin with. Alright guys, if you liked the video, hit thumbs up, thumbs up, sorry, foreigner, you know. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try to do tool reviews once a week, or possibly once every 2 weeks, we'll see. Depends how many tools I'll get to review, because I don't want to review same shit that everybody else reviews the whole time. And of course I'm not one of those paid channels, so I don't get free shit and I don't get money from my channel. I'm just doing it for shits and giggles. So yeah, alright guys, you have a good day, take care, please subscribe if you haven't, and hit the like if you like the video. If you hate it, let me know. I'll try to do better, but so far I only get a couple negative comments. I guess not everybody thinks that my videos are stupid, but you never know. Alright guys, take care.